Today we'll discuss one interesting use case, for example converting between array to object and vice versa. This particular use case I don't oftenly encounter, but if you do have some use case, please reply in the comment below. So to convert to an object, it is very straightforward. Use the curly bracket. This will denote that the output would be an object instead of an array, because this bracket syntax will denote to a array syntax. And using the spread operator and followed by the array name itself, we can split the individual element to individual key value properties. And the key will point to the index 0, 1, 2. Note here that this index is represented by string because all the keys in object is a string. But if you try to convert in a similar fashion this object to an array, this will throw an error because object is not iterable, so we cannot use the spread operator directly. But there is an interesting way, so we'll discover it quickly. So let's say we have a same example. We have an alphabets array, and here we are using converting to object. So if you try to print alpha, so here it is converted to an one object notation. And there is some other way we can as well do that. Not only using the spread operator, using the object.assign. Here we can pass like empty object, and here you can pass this array. So this will convert to this array to an object as well. So this approach also you can follow, which will return you the exactly same result. But if you try to do like to convert this object to an array, this will lead to an error, because see, for example, it is not this error, this alpha, like object is not iterable. Okay, but if you try to convert here, we can use object values. Here we can pass object, then that will convert to that array. So you can follow this syntax, object values, and you can pass this object to convert to an array. Hope you learned something today. Have a good day ahead. Bye bye.